I think everyone has this question. Or if somebody come to you and asks you, how are you? You will say, if you feel good, you will say, I'm fine. But actually, it could also mean that I think I'm fine, because feeling well is actually relative, right? Maybe it doesn't always mean that you're really healthy, but you're just feeling well. And that's like a main question, which we think it's so interesting to kind of like find out whether or how we would maybe better judge our health status, or how could we know whether we are already kind of like under imminent disease progression maybe. So this is something which is very challenging to answer, but this is kind of like our main question, and there we started, and we also try to kind of make best strategy to answer this question. And we actually, when we come up or when we try to build the strategy, we choose 4 elements, which is very important for us as a human being. And this is diet, microbiomes, metabolites, and immune cells. And this also 4 elements which is accepted to play a very important role to health to disease transition. So we kind of choose this also because it's also a main player of chronic inflammation. So where we start is with this question, are we really healthy? Or we transition, we are now in the way to diseases. If everything goes well, we expect that we should be able to define clinical and omics derived biomarkers, which help us to kind of like better predict individuals' risk or resilience of transition towards disease. And this, to obtain this result, of course, is a lot of work, but we take advantage of comprehensive meta and clinical data, which we collect in 3 big cohorts. And also we use cutting-edge omics technology, like transcriptomics, metagenomics, metabolomics, proteomics, and also in-depth immune characterization. And this help us to kind of really be convincing to get this expect result. And of course, last but not least, we also use AI algorithm for that. My team is responsible for the in-depth characterization of immune cells in the blood. We use technology called mass cytometry, and this a very powerful tool to characterize each of the immune cells in the blood. We can know whether or how this immune cell change. And this according to, for example, phenotype of the cells or proportion of these cells in the blood. And we plan within the immediate to analyze about 1,000 blood samples from the participants. Actually, we expect the impact at the different levels of the society. For example, for citizens, for healthcare professional, for scientific community, and also for health authority. But for society as a whole, we think in long term, the knowledge we obtain from our study could help people to increase ability to better manage their health or their own physical and mental health, and like well-being in general. Everyone can monitor, let's say in the best case, their health, and also have better interaction with their doctor, for example, healthcare provider. And all of this would lead then to decrease, I hope, needs of medicines and also therapy. And of course, this will automatically, at the end, reduce all the healthcare costs.